So we need a cardboard roll. This is a cardboard roll, and we need some bentonite clay. This is mixed with some cardboard. This I have taken out from a firework. We also need a mortar. This will be used to hammer the clay inside the cardboard tube, a scale, a marker, and a spatula. Now, to start the things off, first we have to moisten our bentonite clay with water. So over here I am taking a spray bottle and wetting the clay. Keep on adding the water and mix it with clay. Until the clay gets so wet that you get a paste like consistency. You see, this was the consistency I was waiting for. We need to make this consistency clay. Now this is ready to use. Now keep it aside and take the cardboard roll. This cardboard roll I have made it by myself by wrapping craft paper over a pipe. The diameter of this cardboard roll is 2.5 centimeters. Now fill the clay into the cardboard roll. Now take your mortar or hammer like substance. Now we need to make a mark on the mortar. So we need to make 1.5 centimeters of clay into the cardboard tube. That will act as our seal. So first we take our marker and measure the length of the tube on the mortar and make one mark. Now we measure 1.5 centimeters below the mark and make another mark. Now we have to hammer until the lower mark comes till the top level of the cardboard tube. Hammer the clay inside the tube. Keep on adding more clay until the mark reaches the cardboard roll level. I think now we have made 1.5 centimeters of clay seal. So now hammer it tightly and press all the clay to make the seal tight. Now our base is ready. Leave it for few days to dry in sun. Meanwhile we prepare our mixture. This I have taken 16 grams of potassium nitrate, 4 grams of charcoal powder, 4 grams of sulfur powder and 12 grams of iron fillings. These powders, sulfur, charcoal and potassium nitrate is in powdered form and iron is in fillings form. Now take a empty container and pour all the powders in the container along with iron fillings. The glittery effect of this firework is given by the iron that is present in the mixture. Now the lid of the container is closed and it is mixed vigorously and thoroughly to mix all the contents. After everything is mixed, it should look like this. Now our combustion powder is ready. Now we take our tube which is dried. You can see this, that our seal is dried. Now we take it and now we will add our mixture into this tube. After filling the mixture till top, press the mixture hardly with the hammer to compress it all nicely. Our mixture should not be loose, otherwise our firework will explode. Now take a cardboard circle which has a hole in its middle and it is slightly bigger in diameter than our cardboard tube. Take the hammer or our mortar, keep it in the middle and press it. This will act as our seal. It will stop the wet clay to wet our mixture. Now we take the same clay, fill it on the top and make another 1.5 centimeter thick clay seal. Then it was pressed with the mortar to make it tight. Now take one big iron nail and make a hole in the center of the clay till the burning composition. The hole should be made straight. Make sure that the nail has reached until the combustion mixture. This much of the nail is get insert inside this tube. Therefore, and the length of the cardboard clay seal was 1.5 centimeters. So we can say that we have reached till the mixture. I am deepening the hole. Now this hole will be used to insert a fuse to ignite it. But first let it dry in sun for few days.